Hi guys, this is Komal here and Vasudha here from English Wise Parameta branch, and today we are super excited and feeling proud because we have got 7 A teach results in last 7 days. So isn't it a big achievement, Vasudha?
Absolutely. So guys, we couldn't contain our happiness and we wanted this news to go out to you guys as well so that you also feel motivated and feel that you can do this as well. So let's start with each of their stories as everybody has a different journey, individual journeys, special stories. Let's start with Abhishek's case first.
Yes, so Abhishek got guys 8 each on recently on 18th of April. So you got listening 79, reading 89, quite high in reading, speaking 90 and writing 81. So in his case, he was struggling with his speaking from quite a long, took a break in between as well because he was frustrated that he didn't get in first 2 attempts in his speaking module. But he again came back, worked for 3 weeks and just sorted out with his speaking module, got speaking amazing scores. Now, let's talk about next.
Next is Rushali.
Yeah.
She also gave her exam just recently on 18th of April and already got the result. Listening 87, reading 80, speaking 90 and writing 87. Her case was that in the previous 2 attempts that she gave earlier, she was always missing with 2 or 3 points in a certain type of module. Now, she was fully prepared, she focused on all the modules, balanced out her practice, and here's the result. Everything is perfect.
Now, next one is Mahir. So I have another successful champion who recently got with 80, with speaking 79, writing 79, reading 82 and listening 83. Though borderline in speaking and writing, his special case, reason because he has given quite a few attempts before joining the institute because he thinks that he can do on his own. But the day when he joined the institute, he worked upon each and everything. He was struggling a lot in each and every module, but got the perfect score now. And also he has, I think, done lots and lots of mistakes in the exam as well, and some mishappenings as well. Pen doesn't stop, pen doesn't work, okay, and still he's able to get the score. So that's, I think,
That's amazing, yes.
a motivating story. Yep. Next one.
So next one I have is again a very special case of Hassan with us. This is a guy who struggles with a bit of impatience. He knows what to do, he knows the strategies, he's learned them in the beginning itself, but then he was a little bit impatient with his silly mistakes here and there. So towards the end of his preparation, he realized this thing and he thought that the worst thing that you can do to yourself is be impatient and do silly mistakes in your exam. So he controlled all of those things, and in the end, his result is 90, 90, 90 in listening, speaking and writing, and reading is 86, which is all a very amazing and a commendable score to achieve within 3 weeks, guys. He enrolled for 2 months, but got done with it in 3 weeks.
Yes. So I have got another successful student, Diksha, who recently got her desired score on 16th of April. So in her case, definitely she was struggling to get 8 each from quite a long because she was not consistent with all the tasks. So this time she actually worked a lot on her reading blanks, which were her major weakest area. But she is able to get 80 in that this time. I think it's amazing. And she was moving on Sunday to regional area, and before she leaves for the regional area, she just want to give 1 attempt, and that was the last chance, and she got the 8 each. Yes.
Amazing. So next we have Vandana, who got 18 listening, reading 80, speaking 90 and writing 80. Well, she is also a special case because she was the one who was worried whether she would be able to get it in the first attempt or not, because the people that she was facing on a daily basis around her, at her workplace and everywhere, were again and again telling her that it's just your first attempt, don't worry about it. And that's the only thing that concerned her, that she doesn't want to give multiple attempts and wants to get done with it in her very first attempt. And that's all she wanted, and that's exactly what happened after her dedicated practice and after following all the strategies and all the templates in her exam.
I have another student, Chetali, who is very motivated and was quite frustrated because she has given too many attempts, and in every attempt she just missed by few points. In her case, the only issue was that she needs to control the speed in her speaking module. And this attempt, after just few classes with English Wise, she gave this attempt and she nailed the exam with listening 82, reading 89, speaking 90 and writing 81. So with this we explain the story of all our successful students. So guys, all these students have their strengths and weaknesses. Over here at English Wise, we pinpoint their weakness area, we work upon that, because we are running the different stages at English Wise. The stage 1 where the students learn their strategies, stage 2 where the students do a lot of mock tests as well as the lab practice. They get the consistent feedback on that. And the last week when they have booked their exam, we conduct the advanced session as well, where we give personalized feedback to each and every student, where we only work upon those areas where they actually need help after their Pearson mock test. So everything is in a planned way, from the scratch till their last. So we have divided the structure and we are working upon this, guys. If you are also out there struggling to get your desired score, do not get frustrated. It's the right time. You come to us, we'll give you the score analysis and we'll plan your journey. Thank you so much, guys. All the best for your PTE.